In this video, I'm going to show you how you can close your Kraken account in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So if you don't want to use this platform anymore and you want to close your account, you can go to your profile right here at the bottom left of the screen, then go to account and scroll down to the bottom where you will see this option which is close account. Once your account is closed, you won't be able to sign in. So you can click right here. It will tell you some important information. If you want to read it, then you can click on continue. And if you have some money, for example, in my case, I have some money on my wallet, it will tell you that it's not possible to close your account because there are 3 requirements. In my case, I don't have any staking, I don't have any open orders or positions, but as you can see, this one is on red because I didn't withdraw all my funds, so my account or my wallet still has some money. So firstly, you need to make sure that you don't have anything on staking, you don't have any open orders or positions, and that you don't have any money on your wallet. And after that, you can simply just close your account and your Kraken account will be permanently closed. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.